Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020, and it's our third math virtual lesson. We're going to do lesson 8-7, which is called Birds on a Wire from our math curriculum. Okay, we're going to get started with a video to practice different ways to make 10.
Number bonds that make 10. I know my number bonds, they help my math stay strong. Two parts make a whole, let's move and sing along. Right arm up for the one part, left arm up for the other part, both arms up for the whole. Let's go! 0 plus 10 makes 10. 1 plus 9 makes 10. 2 plus 8 makes 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10. 4 plus 6 makes 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 8 plus 2 makes 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. 10 plus 0 makes 10. Those are the number bonds that make 10. 0 plus 10 makes 10. 1 plus 9 makes 10. 2 plus 8 makes 10. 3 plus 7 makes 10. 4 plus 6 makes 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 8 plus 2 makes 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. 10 plus 0 makes 10. Those are the number bonds that make 10. I know my number bonds, they help my math stay strong. Two parts make a whole, let's move and sing along. Number bonds.
Great job with that video with me. Okay, we're going to read our objectives. Say, I can show at least 4 different ways to make 10 using objects, drawing, pictures, and writing number sentences. And that is our Kindergarten Computations and Algebraic Thinking Standard 3. Okay, we're going to get started. The materials that you'll need today are a pencil, a piece of paper, and your bag with the beads and the popsicle sticks. I'll give you a couple minutes to go find those materials. All right, great. We're going to get started now. We're going to start with a warm-up exercise, okay? So you're going to listen to me read a story problem to you. Then we'll pause for us to share some ideas, and then finally we'll look at my drawings. So yesterday I saw 3 birds flying near 2 telephone wires. What is one way the 3 birds could sit on the 2 wires? So stop and think. There are 3 birds flying, and they land on 2 different telephone wires. How could they land there? Think. Now, someone sitting next to you, I want you to share your ideas with whoever that is. If no one's next to you, like no one's next to me, you can say your idea out loud. I think I could see 2 birds on this side of the wire and 1 bird on this wire because I know that 2 and 1 make 3. So I'm going to draw that picture, and I did it already, so look right here. I drew 2 birds on this wire and 1 bird on this wire make 3. And I wrote my number sentence. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Alright, let's look at our other drawing because we need to think of another way that 3 birds could sit on 2 wires. Ooh, maybe this time we have 1 bird sitting on one wire and 2 birds on the other wire. We just flipped our equation. So I drew my picture of 1 bird on this wire and 2 birds on this wire. And my number sentence says 1 plus 2 equals 3. Great job. All right, we're going to move into our lesson. So remember, the object of today's lesson is to draw 4 different ways to make 10. I did this earlier, and I'm going to show you the video. I want you to pay attention on how I make 10 a different way.
Alright, it is my turn to show 10 birds on 2 different wires. Okay, I'm going to start with 10 bees. I'm going to count them and put them at the top. These are going to be my pretend birds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10 birds up here. And they have to sit on 2 different wires. And I'm going to use my popsicle stick right here to show where the wires are split. Okay? So, I'm going to start. I can choose any way to do this, but I'm going to start with 3 birds on one side of the wire, and then I'm going to count to find out how many birds would be on this side of the wire. So I have 1, 2, 3, and on this side I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 7 gives me my 10 birds. I'm going to write my equation right here. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now I'm going to move my bees out of the way, and I'm going to draw birds. So I'm going to start with a bird. And then on this side of the wire, I need to make 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so again, 3 plus 7 equals 10. This is one way to make 10. Great job, boys and girls.
Okay, So now that I've shown you how I made 10, that's our first way. We have to come up with 3 more ways to make 10. So in this video, we'll do it together. So make sure you have all your materials out and you can follow along with me.
Okay, now it's time for our we do. We're going to do this one together, so make sure you have out a piece of paper, a pencil, your popsicle stick to split the wire, and 10 beads. I'll put my beads back on the paper and we'll count them out and make sure we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so these beads, remember, we're pretending are our birds that are on the wire. And we've already done 3 and 7 to make 10, so this time it has to be different than that, but it can be any way we choose. So I think I'm going to split our wire right about here. So I'm going to put my popsicle stick in the middle, and then we're going to count how many birds or beads are on this side of the popsicle stick and how many are on this side to make 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I'm going to write the number 5. And then let's count how many are on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll write a 5 on this side. And remember, we're adding these birds together to make 10, so we need a plus sign in the middle, and then equals, we'll count one more time, equals 5 plus 5 equals what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And now it's time to draw our birds. Okay, so I'll start by making my first bird over here. I need 5 on this side. Your birds don't have to be perfect, so just try your best. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll draw my pretend little wire there, and then draw my 5 birds, my other 5 birds over on this side. So again, 5 plus 5 equals 10. And this way is different. 5 plus 5 equals 10 is different than 3 plus 7 equals 10. So go ahead and kiss your brain. Okay, boys.
Alright, so now it is your turn, boys and girls, to show 2 more ways to make 10. So I did the 3 plus 7 equals 10 and the 5 plus 5 equals 10. Any way you want, show 2 more ways to make 10 using your beads and then drawing your picture of the birds, and have your mom, dad, TT, grandma, grandpa to take a picture of that and upload it to Parent Square or Class Dojo so you can get your attendance points for the day. Thank you so much, boys and girls. If you have any questions, have parents and guardians let me know. Bye!